Amanda here from Create with Scrimpingmommy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to do an online class reveal, and this online class is going to be available to purchase, and it is going to be free to my Ko-fi members. So if you're a member of my monthly Ko-fi group, you'll get all of this for free. But if you don't want to be a member, you're not interested in joining a membership club or anything like that, this will be available as a purchase. So there'll be 2 advertisements in my Ko-fi shop, one for the purchase and one for members, and it'll say free. So make sure if you're a member, you select the member one, and if you're purchasing, select the purchase. So this is going to be an 8x8 mini album, okay? I'm going to do tutorials on how to make all of it, the cover, the pages, and maybe do some decorating. I'm not sure yet. But I have actually created some 8x8 papers specifically for this. Now, for September, my Ko-fi members got this Alice journal collection. There's loads of pages in it. Loads. Absolutely heaps. So this is only available to the members. But as I say, the 8x8 papers and the cutting guide is going to be available to purchase. This is not available to purchase. This is members only. If you're a member, you can use papers from the journal collection in your mini album, and you can use the mini album pages in your journal. So you're getting an awful lot of bang for your buck in September. So I'm not going to share the inside of the mini album yet because I've not finished creating it, but it's going to be fantastic. There's going to be step-by-step tutorials. I'm going to create a playlist so that you can follow along at your own pace. And if you purchase the cutting guide, and save the playlist, you've got that class as long as you want to save it. Okay, you can even download it to your own PC if you want. Okay, so here are the papers. So I've designed them to fit an 8x8 mini album. Now, if your printer prints with a border like mine, these will print out to 7 7/8 by 7 7/8. But we'll be cutting them down anyway to mat on 8x8 pages, so they're going to fit fine. And if your printer prints without borders, then it will be just a hair over 8x8. Available in A4 and US letter size, JPEG and PDF. Okay, so this is the first one, which is this beautiful collage. So this one is 8x8. This one's slightly larger. This is from the journal collection. Okay, and this is this page here. Now, in the mini album purchase, you're also going to get this A4 or US letter size version of this print and this one. And that is because I've made the cover 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So our 8x8 papers are just ever so slightly too small if you only like a 1/8 of an inch border. So I'm giving you these as well. Okay, so these are full sized. All right, so that you can, if you want to do the same cover as me. And then these are the 8x8 pages. So we've got this lovely collage one, and I've filled all of the space at the bottom because obviously 8x8 doesn't fill a page, with embellishments. So here we've got oversized chess pieces, and in my imagination we can fussy cut these, and they can be like a layer on a pocket, a tuck spot, lots of things. Okay, I will show you as we progress with the videos how I'm going to use them. Okay, so that's the first page. Here's the second page with the lovely Alice there, and we've got some background text there, which is taken from the Alice in Wonderland book, from an old book. And we've got some border here with wordage. We've got Alice falling through the rabbit hole there, and some lovely florals. Beautiful. As I say, it all coordinates as well with the Journaling Joy collection. Then I've given you a standalone fussy cut of Alice, and these I have done quite large, and that's because of the ideas that I've got for inside of our mini album. So my madness will all become clear. Here's another one with the beautiful Alice book page at the background again, and some florals in black, toned down like ghost prints. And then we've got the roses, and then these words here I've given you here as well, so that you can use like washi tape or, you know, bands for pockets or whatever. Okay, we're going to use them as embellishments. And then here we've got another lovely page that I've designed. We've got the white rabbit, teacups, we've got the bottles, we've got the florals again, etc. And at the bottom here we've got a large fob watch. Again, the embellishments are large for the mini album because, you know, we're not making tiny little clusters like we do with journals. We want nice focal points. And then we've got the little mouse in the teacup. Then we've got, to go with the decorative pages, we've got some patterns. Okay, because obviously, you know, when you're making your pockets and things, you wouldn't use all of the decorative pages. That's when you use your coordinating patterns, just like when you're purchasing scrapbooking paper. So here we've got the suits, card suits, as a patterned background. And to fill the space, we've got some character fussy cuts there as well. And then here we've got the Alice book page again, and the Alice word, and at the bottom here we've got the key. These are mirror image. Okay, so when you fussy cut them out, stick them back to back, it's the same on both sides. Then we've got another patterned, this is the plain suits again with a bit more of a, it looks like linen paper background, and a large potion bottle. Again, I'm going to show you exactly what I've got in mind for that. Then we've got the stripes, okay, in the burgundy and the green, which are my two main colourways, taken from the roses there and the greenery. Okay, so those are the colours that I've picked out for the patterns. So in the mini album you get stripes, and in the journal collection you get dots. So there's one of that colour, that green colour, in dots. Okay, so if you've got both collections, you've got more versatility. All right, and then I've filled the bottom of these with florals for you to fussy cut, which obviously are the same florals that I've used in the papers, but just in different sizes. Okay, obviously you can, because these are digitals and not scrapbooking paper, you can print over and over again. So if there's something that you like in one of the papers that you want to fussy cut, you can just print it out as many times as you want. You could fussy cut this out. You could do what you want, because you can always go and print another. That's the beauty of digitals. And then I just made some small journaling cards, which are the main patterned backgrounds, shrunk down by me to make them all in the correct proportion. And then we've got some larger labels, more suitable for mini albums as opposed to your journals, but you can still use them in your journals. So we've got Wonderland, We Are All Mad Here, and Curiouser and Curiouser. So in total there's 12 pages to the mini album collection. More than enough, okay, more than enough. And if you've also got the journaling collection, Journaling Joy collection, the Alice one, then you're going to have absolutely heaps. So we're going to create this beautiful, beautiful mini album together. Don't forget, you get these two larger prints as well to use on your cover. So we're going to make the fantastic mini album. So I'll leave the links in the description box below. As I say, you can purchase just this project, and you get the papers, you get the cutting guide and scoring guide. Okay, if you want the journaling pages, then you need to be a member. And again, members get all of this for free, and they've already had this one. So it's an awful good value for money membership service. I will say that my members don't get a mini album and a journal every single month for £3 a month. I'm not completely bonkers. It's every now and again, okay? I'm not a complete stark raving bonkers. But this month, you know, we're having a little bit of extra. So I hope you'll join me and follow along with the videos. The links are all in the description box below. You're more than welcome to join along, even if you don't make the purchase, and get ideas and inspiration for your mini albums. I'm losing my voice, and your junk journals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you probably be back tomorrow with the first video of constructing the cover, and then we'll follow with more videos until we've done. Maybe 3 in the series, maybe 4. Hopefully it'll just be the 3 to keep it short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.